Luxury brands charge high prices for products with perceived high value. Scarcity and status drive demand, allowing prices to remain elevated. Control over distribution channels helps maintain price consistency. Brand equity plays a significant role in justifying premium pricing. High-end products often feature advanced materials and craftsmanship. Startup teams develop innovative software to manage luxury sales. Data center servers process transactions and track customer data. GPU server racks support complex computations for market analysis. Software engineers design algorithms to optimize pricing strategies. Whiteboard roadmaps outline plans for expanding luxury brand reach. Strategic planning involves balancing scarcity and availability. By limiting supply, luxury brands can maintain an aura of exclusivity. Luxury brands often create artificial scarcity through limited editions. Exclusive distribution channels further restrict product availability. By controlling supply, brands maintain an illusion of exclusivity. This strategy reinforces the perception of high value and prestige. Data analysis reveals patterns of deliberate supply chain manipulation. Startup teams develop algorithms to optimize production and distribution. Server racks in cloud data centers process vast amounts of sales data. Software engineers design code to track consumer behavior and preferences. Whiteboard roadmaps outline strategies for maintaining brand equity. Laptop screens display real-time sales metrics and market trends. GPU server racks process complex simulations to forecast demand. Through these tactics, luxury brands sustain their premium pricing power. Luxury brands leverage psychological triggers to justify high prices effectively. Scarcity and exclusivity create a sense of prestige around luxury products always. Consumers associate premium prices with superior quality and craftsmanship naturally. Brand equity is carefully crafted through strategic marketing and distribution channels. Control over distribution networks allows luxury brands to maintain price consistency. Artificial scarcity is sometimes created to fuel demand and desire intensely. Status-driven consumers are willing to pay more for exclusive experiences always. Luxury brands analyze consumer behavior to optimize pricing strategies constantly. Data analysis reveals insights into consumer preferences and spending habits regularly. Software engineers develop algorithms to forecast demand and adjust prices accordingly. Startup teams use whiteboard roadmaps to plan strategic brand expansions carefully. By combining scarcity, status, and distribution control, luxury brands sustain premium pricing power. Luxury brands carefully manage distribution channels to maintain exclusivity. Selective partnerships with high-end retailers help control product availability. By limiting supply, luxury brands create an illusion of scarcity. This perceived scarcity drives demand and justifies premium pricing. Startup teams study these strategies, planning their own brand expansions. Data center servers process vast amounts of consumer behavior data. Software engineers analyze this data to optimize distribution networks. GPU server racks power complex algorithms, identifying trends and patterns. Whiteboard roadmaps outline strategic plans for brand growth and expansion. Brand equity is carefully cultivated through targeted marketing campaigns. Luxury brands invest heavily in maintaining their exclusive image. Ultimately, distribution control is key to sustaining premium pricing power. Brand equity is the intangible asset driving luxury pricing strategies effectively. Exclusive brands maintain high prices through controlled distribution channels always. Scarcity and status symbols are carefully crafted to justify premium pricing power. Luxury companies invest in storytelling to create emotional connections with buyers. Emotional connections lead to customer loyalty and sustained brand reputation always. Data analysis shows that luxury brands prioritize brand image over profit margins. Startup teams study luxury brand strategies to understand their success factors. Software engineers develop algorithms to analyze luxury brand market trends. GPU servers process vast amounts of data to identify patterns in luxury sales. Whiteboard roadmaps outline strategies for luxury brands to stay ahead competitively. Cloud data centers store vast amounts of luxury brand data for future analysis. Ultimately, luxury brands' ability to control their narrative drives their pricing power. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.